Bob Morris, UNC Orchard. Let me take you now into some of the newer persimmons. We have some older persimmons that have been in the orchard for 17, 18 years. That's Fuji Haichia. And but these are some newer varieties we're trying out as well. I'm not going to spend too much time, but I just wanted to give you a quick tour just to show you what the persimmons can look like with some soil improvement and some wood mulch at the base, proper fertilization with it, the use of iron fertilizers for alkaline soils like we have. So here's where the persimmons are, down this row. We're looking at Tamopan right now. Again, we cut them back to keep them low, 6.5, 7 feet tall. Okay. Getting them to fill out. Some wind damage in here. Right there. Some wind. This one is Coffee Cake. Produced last year for the first time. Nice little tree. Nice fruit. This is also Coffee Cake. This one is chocolate, and not so much the flavor, but the interior will give you a little bit of a chocolate color in there as well. And maybe I couldn't pick it up, but maybe there's a hint of chocolate in the fruit as well. But those are some of our persimmons. I hope you enjoyed them.